Ramadan special recipe. Peri Peri chicken cheese box patties. So delicious and flavorful. Can be frozen up to 3 weeks. Puree preparation. Onion a half cup. Garlic cloves 3 pieces. Red chili 1 tablespoon. Tomato a quarter cup. Water. Make a smooth paste. Oil 2 to 3 teaspoon. Add puree. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon. Coriander powder, a half teaspoon. Garam masala, a quarter teaspoon. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Cook 2 minutes. Add shredded chicken. Stir and mix. Salt to taste. Cook 2 minutes. Done. Let it cool. Samosa patty. Spread flour mixture. Samosa patty. Peri Peri chicken. Mozzarella cheese. Green pepper. Spread flour mixture. Follow these steps. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Can be frozen. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.